Okay, the next part. Well, we can change the dictionaries in place, and actually, we have already seen that. But wait, what did I say? I say changing the dictionaries in place. What does this mean? If we have a data set and we can a data type, and then we can change it in place, it is a mutable data type in Python, right? So by saying we can change the dictionary in place, I'm actually saying dictionaries are mutable in Python. Okay, well, by saying it is mutable, this means we are going to have a lot of the flexibilities. So that's cool, right? But there is one thing I do want to remind you. Let's go to the very beginning. Let's see this line. Keys can be any immutable type, and then values can be any type. Okay, so, well, let me ask you this. If we say the keys in the dictionary can be any immutable type, so the mutable data types cannot be used as keys. So, can integers be keys in Python dictionary? Yes or no? The answer is yes, because integers are immutable. And can strings be the keys in dictionary? Yes, because strings are immutable. Can lists be the keys in a dictionary? The answer is no, because well, the keys should be immutable. However, for the list, they are mutable data type, right? So the list cannot be used as a keys in dictionaries. Okay, so let's come back. Oops, I think I go a little bit too fast. Okay, well, for the first line, we created empty dictionary, and then we set the key value pair to be 1 as a key and 23 as the value. And then if we want to change that, well, we are still using the same key 1, and now I'm using the first as the value. So I'm erasing the 23, and then instead I'm linking the key of the 1 to the first. Okay, so well, we are changing the dictionary in place. We don't really have to create a new dictionary to get this done. Okay, and the same thing, how about we want to erase or kill a key value pair? And that is, we want to do a D1, which is the dictionary name, and then we want to do a square bracket with the key, and at the very beginning we want to do a del for delete. Well, this is also a in place deletion. So when you are killing a key value pair with the key as 1, so both the key and the value will be killed from the dictionary. Okay? And then, well, here are some more handy dictionary methods. Well, the first one, take dictionary 1 dot values, and then you are going to have a list of the values in the dictionary. So if you don't even want to care about the keys, you only want to get all the values, and then you can do the dictionary name dot values. And another one is, well, even more useful. That is the d1 dot items, and this will return you a list of tuples, and then for each tuple, that is a key and a value. Well, is that cool? Well, let me see. If I want to continue using the Young dictionary, and then say I want to do Young dictionary dot items parentheses, and then I want to do a for loop. So for say tuple Young in Young dictionary dot items, I think items colon, and then I want to print the tuple Young. Okay, let's see what are we going to get. So we are supposed to get a list of key value pairs as a tuple. So let's see. Okay, I'm getting those 3. So for each pair that is a key value tuple we can have in the dictionary. Or let me try this one. If I want to print the Young dictionary dot items, what are we going to have? Okay, we are going to have this thing. So this is a dict items. Well, but this, you can consider this as this part. So that is a list, square bracket, and inside we have all tuples. For each tuple, that is a key value pair in the dictionary. Okay, and the next part, if you want to do a search, you are trying to see if you can grab a value using the key you have. So if you want to, and then you can really do a get. So that is the dictionary dot get ABC. You're using the ABC as a key, and then you are trying to get the value. Well, if the ABC exists in the dictionary as a key, and then the corresponding value 4 will be returned. And if you are trying to get a non-existing key in the dictionary, and then you are gonna get a none, so the program is not gonna crash. So why do I say this is useful? Well, let me try this. Well, and then I know, well, in my dictionary, I don't really have a gender, for example. And then if I want to do a young dictionary and then square bracket, gender. Okay, so I'm trying to use the non-existing key, and then I want to get the value. And if I run this, and then, well, it will give me nothing, right? Well, and then how about I do another way? So I want to do a print, and then young dictionary, and then I want to do a dot get, and then I want to do the parentheses gender. Okay, so if I want to do this version, okay, what's it? Whoa, I think there's something I missed. Okay, let me comment this out. Oh, the error message is here. So it is, well, I'm going to receive a key arrow in this case. Okay, yeah, this is what I remember. So, well, if you are trying to use a non-existing key to get the value, you are going to get a key arrow if you simply do this syntax. Well, and then let me comment this version, comment this version. This is bad version, and then I want to use this one. Well, this is the get. So when I'm using the get, I'm supposed to get a none, and then the program doesn't crash. Okay? Okay, well, another kind of important, kind of useful, but not as useful as the earlier one will be the update. Well, when you are updating a dictionary, you are using one dictionary's information and update everything to the other dictionary. Okay, so the process is D1 dot update D2, and then you are using all the key value pairs in the D2 to update into D1. So, well, in this case, D2 and D1 they do share one of the common key, which is ABC. So ABC change is in the D2. So the D2's key value pair will be updated with the D1. So now if we want to print the D1 again, and you will see the key ABC and the value is changed. And another case will be, well, for the D2, it has two things. One key is a common key between dictionary 1 and dictionary 2, and then another one is a new key only in dictionary 2. And in this case, when you are doing the D1 update D2, and then for the existing key, well, we are going to update the D1 using the D2's value. And for the new key value pair, the new key not in the D1, and then this pair will be added to the D1. Okay, so, well, before we finish, there's just one more to go. If you want to create a copy of the dictionary, I mean a real copy of the dictionary, and then you have to do a D1.copy, so it will create a new copy for you. Okay, and before we finish, here are some quick exercise. Say I have my dictionary, the cat as a key 12, and then dog as a key 6, and elephant as a key 23. And now, how if I want to do a print my dictionary dog, what am I gonna get? That's 6, right? Because dog is indeed a key here, and then using that key I can get the value 6. And a dictionary is an unordered collection of the key value pairs, true or false. The answer is true, because the dictionary is indeed unordered. When we are putting a new key value pair into a dictionary, the new key value pair may not really be the last key value pair in the dictionary. Well, Python just maintain a collection of the key value pairs in the dictionary. Okay, so this is a true. Well, the last one. Well, we have the cat 12, dog 6, and elephant 23. Now I'm adding a mouse as a new key. So my dictionary mouse equals my dictionary cat plus my dictionary dog. And then I want to print my dictionary mouse. What am I going to have? Or I'm going to have an arrow. Think about that. Okay, so how about we break the second line a little bit. So my dictionary cat, what are you going to get? That is 12, right? So using cat as a key, I'm going to get 12. And how about my dictionary dog? What am I going to have? So I will have a 6. So that is the 12 plus a 6. 12 plus a 6, that's 18, right? So my dictionary mouse equals 18. What is that? That is the syntax that we want to insert a new key value pair. The key is the mouse and the value, as we calculated just now, that is 18. So I do have the new key value pair mouse to 18. So if I want to print the value of the mouse, and then I'm going to get 18. Okay, so this is the end for today's exercise, and I want to do one more video to talk about the exercise today.